I just watched a video of Metatron reacting to people making spaghetti bolognese. And I just remembered what I saw at work. You know, when you ain't got a lot to do, you just check out the news. And there was this article. Didn't click on it because, yeah, it's a usual clickbait article, but the headline was, "Don't pour out the water when cooking rice. Do this instead." I was like, don't pour out the water? Cooking rice? Oh. No. Don't pour out the water when cooking rice? I'm not a cook. I'm not good at cooking. I don't like cooking. But rice? Don't pour out the water when cooking rice. What the? What the fuck are you doing? Making a fucking rice soup? Okay. When cooking rice, as I learned it through cookbook, it was 1 deciliter of rice and 1.5 deciliter water. I've read somewhere else that it was like 1 deciliter of rice, 2 deciliter of water. Yeah, both work. I usually go for 2 to 1. So, but you put that on the stove with a lid on. Yeah, I don't have a rice cooker. And maximum heat. When it starts to boil, turn off the heat, let it sit for 18 to 20 minutes. And voila, no fucking water left. Yeah. And no, don't do this with the leftover water. Use it for this. Fuck. Yeah. Oh. It's the most basic thing. I'm Swedish. Even I know how to cook water, and there was a Swedish side telling me not to waste The water that is left, there's no water left if you do it the right way. Ah! Oh. Ah!